So we may get to the damn doctor, but we don't have an ID, so there's that. An emergency doctor, for fuck's sake. It's a big bird right there, isn't it? Well, those were all big birds. But hi. No, not at all. I'm filming the birds. Either way, you wouldn't have messed it up. Mm-hmm. Forgot where I'm at. Olive. There's a big one right there, ain't it? Ain't it though? Where did he say he is? Right across the street? They like these power lines though, don't they? Hey, tons of birds. Fucking idiots. You don't have my license, do you? I know. I know. Okay. Well, I had a member ID number. You would have thought she'd have told me that.
That's just you being dumb.
Okay, fine. Dumb
Well,
me.
it is.
Dumb me, I just said.
Oh, dumbass Luke.
What, is the hospital going to say that too?
What?
That I
dumbass?
No, that I need. Look at all these birds. Holy shit. They're all in my frame. Like they're.
No, it was wrapped
No,
up
the
with
lady
guys
was.
on the corner over there.
Holy
at
shit,
the cricket
birds.
store. They were talking Spanish, and I came back with muy bien gracias, who said. He was like,
Whoa.
what the fuck? He's like, I didn't know you could
Look at these
Spanish.
birds. Sorry.
What are birds? I think those are the
Let me
actual
start.